Hello everyone, it's Peter here from Garden Goodness Australia, and I'm here to talk very quickly about how to get your fruiting plants to actually fruit. I get a lot of customers come in and say their citrus trees are not fruiting, other plants haven't fruited for a number of years, so I'm going to give you just a couple of little tips you can play with to make sure that actually happens. One of the things that's often quite lacking is one of those nutrients, so phosphorus, potassium, some of those may be lacking, whereas nitrogen could be quite high. So if you've got high nitrogen, you'll find the plants tend to be quite green. However, they may not fruit quite as much. So we need to flip the switch almost in the plant to get it to actually fruit. One of the things you can use is Charlie Carp, which is a premium organic fish fertilizer. We do have a couple of other brands that supply that, but a fish fertilizer is a really good thing to apply to your plants to get them into fruiting mode. There is another product that you can use as well. I'm a huge fan of this one. It's called Amino Mate. So this contains amino acids that are essential for plant development, but it does encourage that flowering that leads through to fruiting. So any of these two products, there are other options of course available, but what you want to do is be part of making sure your plant gets to fruit, not just sit there and grow lots of green leaves as part of the high nitrogen conditions it's in. Thank you very much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Feel free to come in store. We have free advice all the time from our experienced horticulturists and other staff members. So come in for a chat. We're very happy to help you out with your plant care needs. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.